Welcome back. We are now inside of our account settings. And what you want to do is to go inside of your account summary. When you go inside of your account summary, you want to go to your affiliate summary and you want to be aware of your affiliate score. You also want to be aware of your sales and refunds. This will typically determine how soon you'll be paid out for your affiliate commissions. What you'll do is you'll go to your wallet area. And if you go to your wallet area, you'll see the entire amount available in your current balance. You'll see that some of that balance will be available to be withdrawn, and another part of that balance will be pending. Now, in order to determine when the entire amount will be available for withdrawal, you can find that information in two places. One place to find that information is to go to your affiliate menu and then to go to the Transactions tab. Now, for the sake of this video, the actual commissions that have been earned have been grayed out. What you'll want to do is you'll want to see on the right hand side that there is going to be a clock icon which you can hover over. You hover over that clock icon, WarriorPlus will show you when you can expect that that commission will be released to your wallet in order to be withdrawn. You can find this same information inside of your WarriorPlus wallet. If you go to your WarriorPlus wallet and you go to the individual commission, if you see the pending message, you can hover over the dot. And when you hover over the dot, it will tell you when you can expect that that commission will be available for you to withdraw from your WarriorPlus wallet. The more favorable your statistics in your affiliate summary, the more favorable the terms will be in terms of when your actual commission will be released into your WarriorPlus wallet. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.